Hello and welcome to the video tutorials of software engineering. Today we will discuss the practical session, third experiment of software engineering. So the aim of the third experiment is related to the create one project and create a database of Hindi film released since 2000. So the software would allow to generate the list of top 10 hit film, top 10 flop film, best comedy film, and so on. Using your prior experience, you have to decide the approximate size of each module of the software as follow. Here data entry covered like zero point 0.9 kdsi, data update is 0.7 kdsi, query is 0.9 kdsi, and report generation and display is required 2 kdsi. Also take the consideration of following cost drivers with the rating like storage constraint that cover the low rating and experience in developing similar software that cover the high ratings. Remaining other like programming capability of developers, application of software engineering methods, users of software tools, all things that cover the high ratings. All other cost driver have normal rating. Then now answer the following. We have to solve the problem by applying basic and intermediate COCOMO model. So by using, we require to find the project type. We also require to find the project size. We require to find the initial efforts estimation, find the adjusted efforts estimation. We require to find the schedule and minimum size of the team you would require to develop the system. So assuming that your client would pay 50,000 per month of development, how much would be likely billing? So for complete this experiment or to need to understand this experiment, first of all we have to knowledge about the COCOMO model. COCOMO is nothing but the constructive cost model. Here we try to perform this experiment by using the virtual lab. Virtual lab is nothing but the VLab and operated from IIT Bombay as well as some IIT Institute. Here let me start with some introduction. After gathering the entire requirement specific to the software project, usually we need to think about the different solution strategy for the project. Expert business analyst and analyze their benefit and as well as their shortcoming by the means of cost, time and resource required to develop it. In this experiment, we will learn how to estimate the cost, efforts and duration for the software project and then select one solution approach which will found the suitable to fulfill the organizational goal. So this is the project estimation technique. While we applied the COCOMO model, the software project is not just about the writing few hundred of line source code to achieve the particular objective. The scope of the software project is comparatively quite large and such as a project could take the several years to complete. So we required to measure how the complexity is performed for particular project. One of the major activity of the project planning phase, therefore estimate the various project parameter in order to take the proper decision. Here project size, would be size of the code written, say that in the number of line, file or modules, and cost, how much would it cost to be develop a software. A software may be just a piece of code, but one has to pay to the manager, developer and other project personnel, and also required to calculation of time. So duration is also important. How long would it be before the software is deliverable to the client? So This is the timeline and efforts. How much effort from the team or team member would be required to create the software. In this experiment, we will focus on two methods to estimate the project metrics. First one is COCOMO and Halstead's method. Here COCOMO method is covered in your syllabus. So we will discuss the constructive cost model, COCOMO model. It is proposed by Boehm and all theoretical concept we already covered in theory section. So let me discuss some important part related to the practical. Here the concept of organic, semi-detached and embedded system are described. So why we require this portion? Organic means development of the project is said to be organic type if the project deal with the developing a well understood application as well as the development team is small and the team member have the prior experience in working with the similar type of the project. While we are using the semi-detached, the development project can be categorized as semi-detached type if the team consists of some experience as well as inexpensive experienced staff. So we require semi-detached. And team member may have some experience on the type of system to be developed. And last one is embedded. If we are required to choose the embedded, so embedded type of the development project are those which aim to develop a software strongly related to the machine hardware. The team size is usually large in this embedded system. Boehm suggests that estimation of the project parameter should be done through the three-stage basic COCOMO model, intermediate COCOMO model as well as complete COCOMO model. Here we calculate by using the basic COCOMO model. The basic COCOMO model helps to obtain rough estimation of project parameter. It estimates the efforts and time required for the development in the following way. Efforts is equal to A into KDSI is to B PMT development time is equal to 2.5 into efforts is to C and it calculate in month where KDSI is nothing but the estimated size of software expressed in kilo deliver source instruction. KDSI is nothing but the kilo delivered source instruction. Then what is the ABC? ABC, it is the constant determined by the category of the software project. Efforts denote the total efforts required for the software development expressed in the person month PM. TDEV is total time or denote the estimated time required to develop the software, means it is the duration expressed in the month. So here the value of the constant A, B and C are given in this table. So show this table for the software project like organic, semi-detached or embedded. So this is the constant A, B and C value is given. If we are using the intermediate COCOMO model, so this is the functionality of intermediate COCOMO model and table related to the intermediate. You can show the all information in Wikipedia also. Here the link related to the COCOMO model is available. And this is the calculation for organic, estimated by the basic COCOMO model. So efforts corrected is equal to efforts into EAF and TDE means time to development is equal to 2.5 into efforts. Okay. And last one is a complete COCOMO model. Complete COCOMO model that cover the database as well as graphical user interface and networking facility. Some of the requirement, like if we are using the simple project, so basic COCOMO model will cover. So all this information is available on virtual lab. Let me try to understand in virtual lab. Just click on VLab or virtual lab in Google. So this is the virtual lab and here for computer science. So just click on computer science tab. Here list of subject is available for virtual lab. So just click on software engineering lab. I click on software engineering lab. Here introduction related to the software engineering lab is available and list of experiment below mentioned. The first experiment already covered, identify the requirement from the problem statement. Here second experiment, estimation of project matrix, that will be covered. So just click on COCOMO model or project estimation model. This is introduction portion, we already covered. If we click on continue section, so introduction then theory will cover. The objective required for this experiment, the categories project using the COCOMO estimation efforts, and all this theory already discussed. So let me move on the simulation part. Just click on simulation. So here right hand side you can show the simulation means practical portion. Here you can select the organic or semi-detect or embedded project type, and you can manually adjust the project size in KLOC. KLOC is nothing but the your line of code in 1000. So K is mentioned, KLOC. Here by increasing the value of project size, automatically the efforts is increased as well as total development time will also increase. And this is the entry, number of developers we required here also increase. If we are selecting some simple organic model and KLOC is 6, project size in 6. So efforts required means person month required the 15.75, total development time we required 7 months and 13 days, and total number of developer we required 3 to complete this project. Okay, same way if we are increasing the KLOC project size, so automatically this efforts or total development time as well as developer will increase one by one. Okay, so by this formula you can also create or check the COCOMO model or size. Here using the COCOMO model to estimate the project estimation by using the project parameter, use the simulator. Here this is the simulator, and efforts A into size raised to B, this is the efforts calculation, and time for development we already discussed 2.5 into efforts raised to C, this is the month we required to complete the project, and drag the slider to change the project. So here description related to the simulator already discussed. Just click on case study. The case study, that portion covered. While we are using the library information system, so virtual lab for library information system, here the calculation of this product by using the simple COCOMO model as well as organic, semi-detect and embedded COCOMO model. The total information is given related to the libraries. So required the software reliability is mentioned, size of the application, database, complexity for the product is given, all thing that is called the cost driver. Okay, before move on that portion, we require to check the COCOMO model simple efforts and total development time by using this formula. So this is most important. For organic category, for the project value of A, B and C 2.4, 1.05 and 0.38 respectively. So the project efforts required for this project is, by using efforts we can calculate 27, and total development time we required 8.7 approximately. Okay, so this is a simple example or case study, and this portion covered the self evaluation. Means whenever we click on the self evaluation, it covered the MCQ, multiple choice question. that cover the according to the COCOMO model. A project can be categorized into select out of 4, and you can check your level by using the self evaluation tab. After completing this experiment, try this. Then procedure, here that cover the step for conducting the experiment. We require the general instruction, read the theory about the experiment, already covered. Then view of the simulation, we already covered. Take the self-evaluation, we already covered. Here self-evaluation is covered. And solve the given list of exercise. Here some of the exercise or experiment related instruction is given. So read this carefully in the virtual lab. Let me move on the exercise tab. So here you can select the exercise or available example. So just click on exercise tab. List of project metrics. Here you can select first one and submit. So first experiment, first exercise related to this COCOMO model will display. Consider here exercise related to the project is given, and you can enter by using organic and project size 3, efforts per month and total development time. How can we calculate? So this is simple manual entry of effort adjustment factor EAF, and efforts is equal to as well as total development time we automatically calculate, and this is the total number of developer required to organic project. If we are selecting the semi-detached and same value like project size is 3, efforts in person month is 7, this is the auto generated value. Okay, so only just we are entering the size, project size as well as effort adjustment. Here we reduce 20, so this will be automatically reduce. Okay, before value is 15, and for the effort adjustment factor EAF we enter 20, so the developer will be automatically decreased. You can select here second experiment, second exercise. So identify the unique operator and operand from the following snippet of the code. So this code is given. In this code you have to calculate the integer. Read the instruction carefully. In the case where you have entered the multiple values, for example listing the operator from code snippet, please separate them with the comma. Okay, so count the operator like integer, main, organic, and just check the value, and here result will be displayed. Same way in the third exercise. Here third exercise is the absolute beginner INC is again at your door. This time their demand is however the simple. They have the C program which compute the area of circle. So one program is given for area of circle. Determine the estimate effort using the Halstead's matrix. If we are entering the total number of operator is 3, operand is 2, unique 1. Okay, so time to implement this program we required 0.20 second or in millisecond. This is the result. And last tab is reference tab. By clicking on the reference tab, here available reference or white paper or research paper or book related to the COCOMO model is available. Fundamental of Software Engineering. This book is most important for understand the purpose of COCOMO model, as well as software engineering. Addition will see this book is also important, and you can find here some important topic related to the link. यहाँ पे means whenever we click on this link, we identify the particular reference related to the COCOMO model. Thank you for listening this session. We will connect on next session. Thank you so much.